In front of me is Poco X7 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can apply Apple layout on this Android. Begin by opening Play Store and downloading free app called Launcher OS from Launcher Studio. Then go into Devices Settings, scroll to Hit Apps. Tap on those three dots at the top right corner and select Other Settings to access default apps. Now hit Launcher, apply Launcher Pro and go back. Hit Allow All and wait. As you can see, Apple layout was applied successfully on my device. If you want to make some changes to it, you can always access Launcher app. If you want to go back to your default launcher, go back to the same settings of default apps and click on Poco Launcher. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!